Welcome. In this video I will show you how you can control the iPhone camera using your Apple Watch SE 3. There are two ways to do so. The first one is using the control center, and to do it through the control center you have to press the side button first to open it, then scroll down until you find the edit icon, tap on it, then tap the plus icon in the top left corner of the screen. Scroll down until you find the camera remote app in the all controls category. Open the camera remote, and then here you'll find the tile that we have to add to the control center by tapping on it. Then you can align it on the list by holding your finger down on it and moving it to the place where you want it to be. Then to apply changes, click done at the very bottom of the list. And now to control your iPhone's camera, you just have to tap on this tile and wait until your watch is connected with your iPhone. And now you can take a photo using this icon in the middle. You can zoom in or out using your digital crown, and you can change camera settings by tapping the three dot icon in the bottom right corner. And here you can enable or disable the timer, you can change the camera, you can toggle flash, live photo, and HDR. And to apply new settings, tap done. And now you can take a photo on your iPhone's camera just like this. Now, the other way to access the same app is by pressing the digital crown to open the app library. Then you have to scroll to the camera remote app and open it, and that's the very same app, but you have to scroll through the applications and search for it. So I personally find the first method way more convenient to use, because you only have to add this tile to your control center once, and then you'll be able to use your camera. However, you can always access this app straight from the apps list. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.